Hey, baby girls!
Charlie.
Are you having fun? Look at this fancy thing we got. We got a palm tree and a whale and a little umbrella thing and a water slide. Hey! Oh no, down she went. Oh! She bounces on it. The water shoots really high. Careful, girls. Can you wave? Hi. What do you think? I think this is way fun. Check it out, girls. Check it out. At least it's watering the grass a little bit, huh, Bugs? I think we're gonna have some fun today.